morning, preps. It is time for Thursday's Maths, and we're actually changing our topic. We've been doing length, which is about something being longer than and shorter than, and today we're doing capacity. Sounds like a really big word, but actually it's all about whether things are full, half full, or empty. And we're going to be playing with water and cups and all sorts of things. That's always good fun. And I know mums and dads will love this one at home because you get to make a big mess outside. We'll make ours inside, but you can make yours outside. But we're going to have a look at this. It's called the Monster Milkshake Cafe. Ta-da! We've got some really interesting looking monsters. And we're going to be having a look at the different levels of things in milkshakes in glasses.
Ooh.
So, monsters just love milkshakes. They drink them all day long. Let's see which milkshakes the monsters have been drinking at the cafe today. And it says, yum yum, which delicious milkshake shall I order today? And which one would you order? Oh, I know which one I would order. I'm sorry, I'm going straight for that one.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at that. What would you choose, Mrs. Mac?
It's a tough choice. I think I might even go the marshmallowy, fudgy looking one on
This
the
one,
edge.
that looks pretty glorious, doesn't it? This one's strawberry, which is bleh,
Yeah.
but you know,
Yeah.
that's what everybody says, except for those of you who like strawberry. All right, milkshake mix-up. The monsters have mixed up their milkshakes. Can you help them to find which milkshake is theirs? Hello, my favourite milkshake is chocolate. My milkshake is full. I wonder which is mine.
Ooh.
Well, I think you could find that fairly quickly, couldn't you,
Yeah,
perhaps?
which one's full?
There we go. Let's have a look. Hopefully I can tap on it. Can I? Oh, no, I don't think I can. I think we'll work it out at the end. All right. I love strawberry milkshakes so much that I've drunk all of mine. My milkshake is empty. Which glass is mine?
Oh, I can see an empty
Well,
one.
I can. Obviously, the pink one likes the pink milkshake. That would be right. All right. Here we go. Oh, I'm not sure which milkshake is mine. I've drunk some of my milkshake. My milkshake is half full. Can you find it?
Half full is a funny
Half
term,
full,
isn't it?
a funny one, isn't it? Because it's not empty. It's not full. So you have to really look at these three. Well, that one's empty. That one's full. So therefore,
And that's got about,
it's about half.
it's going to be about filled to the middle.
Yeah, that's right. That's what that means, really. Halfway up. Sort of not quite to the top, not to the bottom. All right, let's look at this one. I have nearly finished my milkshake. Not my empty. My milkshake is nearly empty. I wonder which one is mine.
Ooh.
Well, we just worked out that this one, they're about the same amount, is half full. This one's full. This one is empty. That is nearly empty. I think that's the one to go for. All right, I'm not sure. Oh, we've got more of a choice. I drink my milkshake very slowly. And my milkshake is nearly full. Nearly full. Which milkshake is mine? Well, that one's full.
Yeah.
That one's half full. That one's empty. That one's nearly empty. Oh, this one here is nearly full. It's not full. It's not like that.
But it's close.
But it's close, exactly. It's not quite there. I wonder if we found everybody's milkshakes. Oh no, they've mixed them up again. We just sorted it out, perhaps, these silly monsters. All right, my milkshake has the most. Which one is mine? That's the green monster. My milkshake has the least. Which one is mine?
Oh,
Least
the most.
and most.
Well, they're tricky words, aren't they? Least is tricky.
Because most means
Lots.
more. It's got more than lots, exactly. So I know that one is. But least, it just means
Less.
nearly empty, not many at all. And this says, have a bit of a chat at home with your brothers or sisters about most and least. You can think about that with, you have the most biscuits or the least biscuits or the most pizza or the least pizza. You could have all sorts of things, couldn't you? Now it says I can click on this little monster. It's telling me I can. Oh, it swapped it over, Mrs. Mac. I'm so excited. All right. Thank you for helping the monsters with their milkshake mix-up. We've got full, nearly full, half full, nearly empty, empty. they've all got their milkshakes. Now we're going to go and do a bit of work, not with milkshakes, because I think if you put milk everywhere, it'll be a bit yucky. So we're going to use water, and we're going to do some full, half full, nearly full, and we're going to have a bit of a play. And you can do this at home too. All right, so let's go. Come over here. You can say hello to Mrs. S on the way past.
Hi, Mrs. S.
Oh, and Mrs. Julio.
Hi, Mrs. Julio.
How are you?
Over to the
And
sink.
we've got some jugs here. Now, they're not quite like what you would have at home, but you can just use glasses at home. Try to make sure they're about the same size so we can get that, play around with that. So the first thing is I am going to fill up the whole container.
Oh, that's full.
That is full. That's so full to the tippy top, it's almost going to fall over.
Put it down.
I know, I'm going to spill it. Oh, not on the microwave. No. All right, now I'm going to put it to, well, this is the tricky one. Half. Oh, that might even be a bit much. I might have to take a bit out because it's a bit, it's hard to see. I should have put colour dye in the water.
I was just thinking that very thing.
We might do that next
Even a
time.
light on this
Even
side.
a light. Well, yes, that would be helpful. So we can actually see the water because this is kind of helpful. Did they turn it? Yes.
Yes, here we go. Oh, that's
Can
better.
you see that? So that one is half full. That one is very full. And this one is empty. Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing. But then we could also do,
a little bit.
yeah, nearly empty
Oh, yes.
or nearly full. Look at that. So you can have a go with that at home. Now we do have a worksheet that follows from this, which I hope is over there, Mrs. S. Is it over here?
Ooh,
The worksheet?
it's the surprise of the
Mrs. S?
day.
I know, it's the surprise of the day, Mrs. S. I'm not sure where the worksheet is.
Should be on the table.
Normally it is. I think it's here, but it might not be. And then I'll panic.
Yeah. Really should be more organised, Mrs. Bella.
I know, you would think I would be. Normally, here we go. Now, this is this one today. This is the one we're doing today.
Ah, yes.
Yes, this is the one. So, and it links in beautifully with the lesson, Mrs. Mack, which is why I organised. All right, can you draw a line on each container to show the water level? Half full. So I've got to remember how I was doing that, where you go like that and that. It's half full. Nearly full up there. Nearly empty. And full all the way. And you could then, if you wanted to, because it's water, you could colour those in.
Now, if you're having trouble reading this one, perhaps you can ask a grown-up for help.
Definitely ask a grown-up for help because the writing on this is tricky. The reading, I mean, and writing. Now, which container can hold less? Now, you might actually play around with it at home and decide which one, because that looks smaller to me. So I would think that would hold less water in it than that one.
I agree.
So I'm going to circle that one. Which container can hold more?
Oh,
Well, this one's very fat and this one's thin.
yeah.
So I think this one can hold more. But you, again, you can practice at home and use different jugs and work that out.
Yeah.
And find out. Maybe use colour dye like we should have done, Mrs. May. Which container can hold the most? Oh, we haven't talked about that. That's got to be the biggest, really.
Yeah.
And I think out of these three, that bucket is going to hold the most. And which container can hold the least? And again,
Go with the smallest.
it's going to be the smallest one. Now you can colour all of these in and then pop them in your maths books, and I will see you tomorrow where we're going to do more capacity. Bye.